Hi guys! It's my second time to shoot this video at my office, and today it's 15 minutes before 8 and nobody is at nobody comes to work yet. I'm alone, so I wrote down a few keywords to proceed today's speech, because if I have no idea what to talk, then I would mumble too much. So I wrote down about 5 keywords, very short Korean words. And first, breakfast. After I started working again last month in March, I didn't really feel like eating breakfast. I didn't feel hungry, and I wanted to save the eating time, and just I wanted to come to work early and prepare the stuff. But it's been a month since I started working again, and I've gotten much used to my working conditions, working situation. So, and besides, I got COVID and I was really hurt. I was really sick for about 2 weeks. So today, for the first time after I started working, I ate breakfast with my kids. So my eldest daughter asked me if I wouldn't be late, because I always went to work early. So, and we ate breakfast together. When I was skipping my breakfast, I was it was great because I was doing some kind of intermittent fasting, and I believe that intermittent fasting is good for my stomach and my body, but having breakfast is also good, because if I feel hungry, that wouldn't be good for my work. And one of the reasons I started eating breakfast again is because my co-teacher, my native foreign co-teacher, always asked our students that if they had breakfast and what did they have breakfast. Did they have breakfast? It's kind of a small talk and a part of greeting, and students said all kind of stuff like rice, bread, cereal, cake, rice cake, and those things might have been motivation for me to have breakfast again. And the second topic is I used to walk to work, and it took about 30 minutes one way. But after I got sick, my condition is not perfect, so I just drove to work today and yesterday, and I think I should drive for the next couple of days, and when I feel really well, then I'll start walking again. And walking is good because I can get some exercise, so I should do that as soon as possible. And third topic is outside class. I don't know if it is the right word, but anyway, I'm teaching English for 6th grade and 3rd grade students, and Sixth grade students, I'm thinking of taking my sixth grade students outside because I don't know why we always have to study indoors, and it could be a refreshing memory and experience for them and for me to study outside, and there are a few great space for children to sit. So I think when the weather is good, I could try one of these days. And today it was raining in the early morning, so I think it'll be a little cold. So not today, but someday I will try. And one thing I'm worried is that they could get too distracted because they're in a different environment. But I think I could handle that. And the last fourth topic is that reading. And like I upload my live streaming session of my studying in the early morning. Today's topic of the script was about reading and book club. So that kind of motivated me to wanna read. So I decided to read. And I always think that I should read, but today I specifically made up my mind to read in the morning about one or two, even if it is 1 or 2 pages. It's better than nothing. And also I'm thinking of reading before going to bed for like 20 minutes because I always I have to wait until I become sleepy. So I think it would be a good way to make the use of that time as reading. So that's for today's topics I prepared. And thank you for watching my speaking practice, and I'm sure you guys all can do it. And I really appreciate you guys leave comment saying that you guys were motivated by me, and they are thinking of studying hard like me. And yeah, let's make the most out of today. So see you soon. Bye.